So today we're going to be talking about the iPhone 7 Plus, and is it really worth it to have it in 2020? So as you can tell, hold on, let me adjust my camera. So as you can tell, this is like a used phone, but this is an iPhone 7 Plus. And my question to you guys is this phone worth it to have in 2021, the year of 2021? So what we're gonna talk about first is this camera. So let's just use this emblem. Um, okay, so that's what it looks like. And then that's what it's. I'm recording on my iPhone, not iPhone, Samsung Note 8 right now. And here's the camera. Honestly, it isn't the best. It's not the worst. As you can tell, this one also is a little bit cracked. But honestly, it's pretty good. Now, compared to the newer models of iPhones and Samsung, it's gonna be way more sensitive than it's gonna be way more sensitive than an iPhone 7 Plus. And if you were switching over from a newer phone to an old phone, you'd basically realize it like really quickly. The sensitivity on here, it's not as good as sorry, it's not as good as uh wait, sorry. It's not as good as like the newer models of phones. So, yeah, the sensitivity isn't the best. But honestly, okay, so this is going for about like 300, 200 bucks used. Um on you can like buy this online for like 300, 200 used. But yeah, it also uses this type of charger, not a type C like most newer iPhones used, I believe. But here, hold on, let me try to get it to focus. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so that's not a Type C. Um, it is like the original, well, not the original, like, like the chargers that most phones, like the most Apple phones uses. Um, but yeah, so we got through the camera, and of course, oh, hold up. And of course, everything on here is still pretty normal. And yeah, it's pretty normal still. So yeah, and the phone I have here is carrier SIM locked, so I can't use this. Um, but it is cool. You could always go find out about it more in your settings app. And then the App Store is pretty up to date. This is running on iOS 15, by the way, so it is up to date. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Is having an iPhone 7 Plus worth it in 2021? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.